Hey there, real estate enthusiasts! In today's fast-paced market, your digital presence is key, and there's a hot debate: vlogs versus blogs. Which one will elevate your marketing strategy and set you apart as a real estate agent or realtor? Let's dive into this game-changing topic and find out which format is the ultimate tool for your success. First up, vlogs. Video content has taken the online world by storm, offering a dynamic way to connect with your audience. Vlogs allow potential clients to see and hear you, building trust and a personal connection. They also offer a visual feast with property tours, neighborhood highlights, and behind-the-scenes glimpses. And guess what? SEO loves videos. Captivating vlogs can drive traffic and potential leads to your real estate business. Now let's shift our focus to blogs. Long-form written content has its own powerful perks. Blogs showcase your expertise with in-depth insights and industry knowledge. Share detailed articles on market trends, home buying tips, and local insights, positioning yourself as the go-to expert. Plus, written content packed with keywords can significantly boost your website's ranking and attract organic traffic. So which should you choose, vlogs or blogs? The secret lies in striking the perfect balance. By integrating both video and written content, you can create a powerful marketing mix that caters to all preferences and maximizes your reach across platforms. Why limit yourself to one when you can harness the combined power of both? Tell me in the comments which approach you find more effective. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate insights. Until next time, happy marketing!